Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export your video from Shotcut as MP4 file. So it's very simple. Go over to Export tab right here, then make sure this Advanced tab is checked and go right here to Format, click on that and try to type in MP4 and it should take you right to MP4. Click on that and then choose codec. Basically you can choose codec that you like, so I really like H264, there it is. And rate control, you can choose average bitrate, constant bitrate, quality base. I would choose average bitrate so your file size wouldn't be so big, and you can choose what the average bitrate should be. So you can leave it as it is, and that's basically okay. And then you can choose export file, choose where you want to export your file, name it, and go ahead and click on save. Now the file will be exported. You can find it in Finder. So I will show you, there it is, new file, MP4 movie. As you can see, it is MP4. So it is really easy as that, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.